Today, I'll show you how to send money from USA to Philippines through GCash app. First, it is important to know that GCash is mainly a Philippine mobile wallet. So, if you are in the USA and want to send money to someone in the Philippines, the usual method is to use an official remittance partner that can send directly to a GCash wallet. Start by choosing a trusted money transfer service that supports GCash cash-in. For example, some remittance apps and services allow you to send money to a GCash mobile number in the Philippines. Open the remittance app or website you want to use, create an account or sign in. Choose Philippines as the receiving country. For the delivery method, select GCash, mobile wallet, or e-wallet, depending on the option shown. Now enter the receiver's details, use the receiver's correct full name and GCash registered mobile number. Double-check the number carefully because the money will be sent to that GCash account. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Review the exchange rate, transfer fee, and final amount the receiver will get in Philippine pesos. Then choose your payment method. You may be able to pay using a debit card, credit card, bank account, or another supported payment option. Before confirming, review all details again. Check the receiver's name, GCash number, amount, fees, and exchange rate. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer. After sending, save the receipt or reference number. The receiver should check their GCash app for the incoming money. Some transfers arrive quickly, while others may take longer depending on the service used. So, to keep it simple, use an official remittance service that supports GCash, choose Philippines, select GCash or mobile wallet as the receiving method, enter the receiver's GCash number, review the fees, and send. And that's how you send money from USA to Philippines through GCash app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.